Linux is praised by many for its freedom and customizability, but today I'm going to reveal why it might not be the right choice for you. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Now I know Linux has its loyal fans and some serious benefits, but let's be honest, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. In this video, I'll cover 3 key reasons why using Linux might create more headaches than solutions for the average user. Many popular applications and games simply don't run natively on Linux. Professional-grade software like Adobe Creative Suite or even Microsoft Office often has no true Linux version, forcing users to rely on alternatives, wine, or virtual machines. And let's not forget gaming limitations, fewer native titles and driver issues, as discussed in sources like How To Geek and various community posts. Linux distributions vary widely, and this fragmentation creates a steep learning curve for non-tech-savvy users. The abundance of choices, from Ubuntu to Arch, can be overwhelming, and each distro has its own quirks. Setting up drivers, handling system updates, or troubleshooting issues often requires digging into command-line solutions. While community forums are a great resource, they aren't a substitute for the mainstream support most people expect. For those who need reliable, it-just-works experiences, Linux may fall short. Most consumer hardware comes with Windows pre-installed, and switching to Linux might lead to driver incompatibilities or lack of vendor support. While Linux is a powerhouse for servers and enthusiasts, for everyday tasks the risk of running into configuration issues is higher. A light anecdote or statistic like those found in articles such as "Legitimate Reasons to Not Use Linux" from Linux Tips can reinforce this point. To quickly recap, the 3 reasons are software and gaming hurdles, the steep learning curve with fragmented choices, and the lack of reliable everyday support. While Linux is powerful for developers and hobbyists, if you're looking for simplicity and immediate support, sticking with Windows or macOS might be a better choice. Do you agree or disagree? Share your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more no-nonsense tech insights.